બધું વચ્ચે પેના. Okay. So, how do we avoid race condition? The key to preventing trouble here and in many other situations involving shared memory, shared file, and shared everything else is to somehow prohibit more than one process from reading and writing the same file. How do we prohibit? You have to block process B until process A is finished doing its job. Finally जब process A बोलती है मैंने अपना पेज प्रिंट कर दिया, तभी हम लोग process B को allow करना है. So, such a way of preventing one process from reading and writing a shared data when the other one is using that shared data, we call it as a mutual exclusion. So, somehow we are making sure that if one process is using a shared variable or a file, the other process will be excluded from doing the same thing. The difficulty above occurred because process B started using one of the shared variables before process A was finished with it. The choice of appropriate primitive operations of achieving mutual exclusion is a major design issue. बोलना बहुत आसान होती है, लेकिन हम लोग ऐसे मशीन के साथ ये करवाएंगे कैसे? ऐसा कौन सा प्रोग्रामिंग कंस्ट्रक्ट हम लोग यूज करेंगे जिससे हम लोग म्यूचुअल एक्सक्लूजन को इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं? सो वी आर गोइंग टू just take one example, or पहले we will just talk about what are the issues for uh, happening, making the mutual exclusion happen. Now यहाँ पे there is something called a critical region that needs to be defined. What is a critical region? Whatever shared resource we are trying to access, that is whether it is a shared memory, shared variable or a shared file, जो दो processes एक ही टाइम पे एक्सेस करना चाहते हैं, such region is called critical region.